Morning. Morning. Now, are you sure you're going to be all right?
Yeah, I'll be fine.
Well, if anything happens, if Claire or any of that lot pick on you, I want you to report it to the teacher straight away.
OK, I will. I promise. See you later.
What did he say? Has he arrested him?
Couldn't tell me, just said he wanted to come round and talk about the trial and that.
And when's he coming?
About 2, and apparently he's bringing our liaison officer with him.
Great.
Anyway, we talk about it lunchtime, better get ready for school.
Yeah.
See you later, darling.
See ya.
Claire, I haven't been ignoring you. I've been trying to talk to you.
You mean criticise me?
No.
Just face it, Nigel. You agreed with everything Carol Jackson said about me yesterday. You just can't bear to admit it.
But that copper seemed pretty confident it was just intimidation.
Well, he would say that, wouldn't he? He wants Billy to testify.
He knows who they are, Carol.
Yeah, well, if they're so harmless, how come I got threatened in the first place?
Well, I don't know.
Oh, that's right, you don't. And neither do I.
Claire, what are you doing here?
I just wanted to see you.
Why? What's happened?
Nothing. I just...
What?
I'm sorry, Nigel. I'm really, really sorry. You really forgive me?
Yeah, of course I do. Now, what about Sonia?
What about her?
Are you going to apologise to her too?
I suppose so, but doesn't mean I'm going to be friends with her, though.
Why not?
I've got new friends now.
What that lot? They're just a bunch of bullies.
No, they're not. They went a bit too far, but it's not going to happen again. I won't let it.
Well, can't you be friends with them and Sonia?
I've got nothing in common with Sonia anymore. I'm sorry, Nigel. I'm just not interested.
Look, don't worry about it. All we've got to do is stick together and we'll be fine.
Just tell me, what happened?
Annie, it's there in the paper. He committed suicide.
Really?
Yeah.
And you had nothing to do with it?
Look.
Well, did you?
I may have released certain photographs to Mrs. Dixon, had a word with her late husband concerning his rather limited options, but apart from that, I did nothing at all.
Hello again.
All right.
This is Judith Simpkins. She's going to be your liaison officer up to and during the trial.
Pleased to meet you.
All right, take a seat.
Thanks. All I want to do today is get to know you. Answer any questions you have about procedure.
Hold on a sec, have you arrested these blokes yet?
Well, no.
We're still
not yet.
pursuing our inquiries, Mr. Jackson.
Well, in that case, we decided it'd be best if Billy didn't testify.
I thought you were okay about the whole thing.
We've changed our mind.
You do understand that not testifying wouldn't necessarily make your situation any more secure.
Yeah, but we both feel that testifying would make it less secure, and frankly, we don't want to risk it.
Mrs. Jackson?
No, that's fine, no.
I'm sorry?
That's our decision, and there's nothing you can do or say to change that.
A responsibility, Mrs. Jackson.
Yeah, to my family.
Your family haven't been threatened.
No, but they could be. I mean, all you want to do is win your case. You don't care about us.
Look, Carol, we realise you're very concerned.
Well, too right I am. These are my kids we're talking about.
I understand. I've got kids of my own. But the point is, there's a lot less risk than you think.
Yeah, well, you're bound to say that, aren't you?
It's true. We know who this gang are. They just panic, try to scare you.
So why haven't you arrested them?
We're working on it. We've got good leads. It's just a matter of time before we nail them.
Yeah, meanwhile they're out there planning God knows what.
I'm sure they're not planning anything. They've had their go at intimidating you, and that's it.
Yeah, so how can you be so sure?
Because we've got first-rate information on them. Besides, if you give up now, they get away with it. Is that really what you want?
Of course not. I just want everybody to be safe.
They will be. And if it'll make you feel any more secure, we can arrange some protection.
What kind of protection?
We can provide you with a panic button for the house, a mobile phone alarm linked directly to the station. If there was an incident, we'd have a police car here in minutes.
Yeah, and anything could happen in those minutes.
Carol, nothing is going to happen, really. This time next week, they'll be behind bars and it'll all be over.
OK, he testifies. If there's a hint of trouble, that's it. It's over. We withdraw from the case. So how'd it go then?
Fine.
And Claire?
Just went home early. Ill or something.
Really?
Yeah, hopefully it's fatal.
Right, Nige?
All right. Alan, take the kids home. I'll catch up in a sec.